guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today we are going to be making pufferfish. This is what they look like. I have made 3 different colors so far. I'm going to go through the whole tutorial like I always do. Let's get to the video. You're going to start with 8 single crochet and a magic ring. You're then going to do 8 increase to make that 16. This row is going to have 2 bobbles. You can put them wherever you choose. I usually put them on opposite sides of each other. Then you do single crochet increase to make that 24. You're going to do 2 single crochet increase to make it 32, and in this row you would add 2 bobbles. You're going to do 3 single crochet increase to make it 40. And then 4 single crochet increase to make it 48. In this row you will add 4 bobbles. From row 7 to 9, you're going to be doing 48 single crochet. Every other row, you're going to do 4 bobbles. You're going to color change to your other color, and from row 10 to 12, you're going to do 48 single crochet. Still doing the every other row 4 bobbles. Then you're going to be doing 4 single crochet decrease to make it 40. Next up is 3 single crochet decrease to make it 32. You're going to be adding 4 bobbles to this row. Next up is 2 single crochet decrease to make it 24. This is where you're going to add your eyes. I usually do it between the color changes. You're going to do single crochet decrease to make it 16. This row will have 3 bobbles. Add the mouth on the same level as the eyes and stuff it up. Do 10 decrease to make it 6 and close it up. Moving on to the tail and fins, there's going to be 3 of these. You're going to start by chaining 9, and then you're going to do 8 single crochet across that line. And then you're going to color change to your other color and do chain 1, decrease, do single crochet decrease twice. So chain 1, decrease, single crochet decrease, and then single crochet decrease again. And then you're going to chain 1 and do 3 decreases to make it 2. And then you're going to color change again, chain 1, and then 4 single crochet. And then all you have to do is sew it up, and you're done. Now it is time for the results. Okay, here's the end. I post bi-weekly, which is every other Saturday. And I hope this video helped you guys a lot and you got to make one of your own. I'm posting this pattern on, I'm making an Etsy soon. I'm going to be posting this pattern on there for you guys to buy if this tutorial was maybe a little too confusing for you guys. And I am also selling these 2 little guys. So if you're interested in buying them, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want a tutorial on anything else, just write it in the comments and I'll get to it. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!